Hello guys, today we are going to present how we can start with the Automation Anywhere 2019 version. So we will try with the community edition. We don't go with the upgraded version because we are the students or we are just basic developers, so we have to start with the basic levels of community editions. So to start with this community edition, you need to search on the Google like Automation Anywhere A2019 Community Edition. So you need to click on here this first link, Community Edition Automation Anywhere. So I'm going on this page, and now here you have to fill your the details like your first name, then your last name, then your business email. So I am entering my email address here. You can enter your country, so India, your phone number. Okay, company name, you can enter whatever the company you are working. So I'm just entering just sample example Google. Number of employees more than 5,000, and job level you can enter whatever you are, a manager, director, student, partner, or you can enter the other. After clicking on this yes and this one, so so you just need to click on the get free community editions. Once you click on this, your request has been submitted, and now you have to wait for some time for 2 to 3 minutes, and after that you need to just go to your the mailbox, whatever your mailbox you are using, like Gmail, Yahoo, whatever it, and you need to go and to the inbox. So I am going my inbox. So I have received these 2 emails like welcome to Automation Anywhere Community Edition and build your first RPA bots. So this is the link. So here we need to click on this link, https communitycloud. So I'm copying this and pasting here. So I got this page, and so I am already logged in into this page, but you will get this some kind of home page on your first login. If you are trying to first login, it will ask you to change the current password, where that password is set by the Automation Anywhere. Once you change the password, then you will redirected to this page. So this is the home. Here we have the dashboard. Here we have activity in, we have the in progress, historical. We cannot schedule the bots now here because we are in limited version of the edition like community edition. Then in bots we have the bots, my credentials, and global values, my devices. So now we will create the bots here, but before creating the bots, first you need to install the local agent on your machine to run the bots. So we are creating the bots in the Automation Anywhere Community Edition, and here we need to install the to add the local bot agent, so it will run the bots. So connect to my computer, click on here, connect to my computer. So it will start the download. Once this download is completed, you need to install it. That's it. And then in the next video we will see how to create the bot.